All right, good morning. It's a Friday, September 25th. And as you all know, there should be a house here. But because Wausau Homes failed over the last 2.5 months to order a critical component they knew about, there's no house here. And as I said before in one of my previous videos, we don't know when the insulation that Wausau Homes failed to order. Now realize the insulation's available, they just didn't order it. I had to clarify that. I had some questions. People were saying, well, is it a supply issue? No, it's a simply Wausau Homes didn't order the insulation that is required to be put on the exterior of the house so they can assemble the frames, have it delivered here, and have a set date. So we still don't know when it'll be done. Wausau Homes doesn't write letters or emails explaining what they do. They merely don't do what they're supposed to do. Now, one of the issues, and I'm just going to document it, is that as you look with the exterior foam insulation, it's blue here. This insulation, according to all the data I get, can tolerate up to 60 days of ultraviolet radiation, i.e. the sun, or e.g. the sun, and it will not degrade. But once it starts hitting 60 days, it starts to get chalky and fail. Well, the nice thing is about the contractor, Lance, got this covered with some sort of, I don't know what it is. It's something. Smells good. So this area appears to be protected from the ultraviolet light. I don't know what was used, so I can't tell you if it's compatible with the foam. I do know that this whole area here is being exposed to ultraviolet light, which means it will degrade. And I don't know what Lance's plan is to protect it. I know from my friends who do landscaping that traditionally there's some sort of shield that's placed along here before the dirt is piled up against it so that it doesn't get destroyed. So when you're using a lawnmower or you're planting or you're doing the landscaping, that this delicate foam is protected. So there may be a plan that somehow this is going to be covered with the stuff that is normally used to protect it from the dirt. I don't know. So I sent off some pictures to Lance and asked him what the plan was for the rest of this insulation along here to make sure that it doesn't get destroyed either by landscaping and primarily right now ultraviolet light, since we don't know when Wausau Homes will order the insulation that they didn't order 2.5 months ago. So, but as usual, it's a beautiful day. Try not to flare out the camera. God, it's a gorgeous day. It's about 55 degrees. As usual, it's perfect. So I will talk to you later. You have a good time. Be safe. Love you. Bye.